Welcome to Organic Chemistry Decoded. Whether you're struggling with organic chemistry, you're doing all right, but you want to do better, or you're doing great and you just want to keep getting those A's, this is the place for you. So we're just going to do some quick NMR practice today. Going to do predict the multiplicity of the proton signals in NMR of this molecule right here. All right, so first off, if you remember from a video that I posted a while back, the multiplicity in NMR, where N is our multiplicity. Actually, I'm going to do this another way. Our multiplicity, I'm going to call it M for right now, is equal to 2N plus 1, where N is equal to the number of neighboring hydrogens. Just call it neighbors. So in this example, we are tasked with finding the multiplicity of this spot here, and this spot. And if you're wondering why we're not doing this one, it's because there are no hydrogens there, so it will not have a proton NMR signal. If you're also wondering why we're not doing these ones, it's because this is a symmetric molecule. You can cut it in half. There's a plane of symmetry, which means that these these are identical to these. So these are there's only 3 chemically unique proton signals here. All right, so let's start with A. Dude, go like that. So A, we see it here. It's 2. Let's look at its neighbors. Well, it's got a carbonyl and another carbonyl. There is no neighbors for it. And according to our formula, it would be 2 times 0 plus 1. So multiplicity is 1. Now if we go to B and we look at it, its neighbor is a carbonyl and then a quaternary carbon, which also has no hydrogens. So its multiplicity is also 1. Now if we come to these methyl groups here, and we look at them, remember these are all chemically identical. So these methyls, what do they have next to them? They have that quaternary carbon again, which also has no hydrogens on it. Therefore, its multiplicity is also 1. They all have a multiplicity of 1. So that was a little bit of a trick for you. But so I hope this was a good, quick video for you guys. If you want more organic chemistry learning, give me a follow. If there's anything specific you're struggling with or you just want to see me do a video on, you can put that below in the comments. And as always, my DMs are open. You can DM me any questions you have, or if there's a problem you have in class, like a practice problem or something you got wrong on the last exam, you just don't really understand why, you can send it to me and I'll help walk you through it and I'll probably make a video on it.